Hi, I'm Larry Gilbert, here for MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to do a quick video on how to inspect your gutters. What we've done here, we took a piece of plexiglass mirror. We took a paintbrush holder that goes onto a paint extension handle so that people could actually put a paintbrush in here and paint up high. We've taken and adapted this because we deal with a lot of industrial customers who are being charged enormous prices to do their complexes of homes and condominiums to clean the gutters, and they're doubting whether or not they're getting a good job. So we came up with this for them so that this is relatively inexpensive, and if you're a painter or have some paint stuff, you may have some of these products already in your basement. The plexiglass mirror is the only thing you have to get to make this thing happen. I drilled a couple of holes in it, put a couple of zip ties in it to put it together, and bingo, it's not good, but here's how it works. I come up to the house, I take the mirror, I can have an extension pole, and I hope you can see in there, we can see right down into the downspout, and we can see some of the stones coming off the roof. But we can look right into that gutter from right here on the ground. And being as this is on an extension pole, we could do this on a 2-story condominium. So this little contraption, this is handy for us homeowners to know if we need to go up and clean our gutters. And are they real bad? Where do we have to clean them at? Just a little gimmick, pretty handy for those of us who are getting older and don't want to go up in the ladder needlessly. So here you go. Quick tip, MrHardware.com.